guys, how are you today? I thought I'd read you a book about bats. Bats are really cool animals, and you might see them flying around this time of year if you go out right at about dusk, right when it starts getting dark. You can see bats flying around, and that's because bats eat mosquitoes. You guys all know what mosquitoes are. They love me, and every time I go outside, I get bitten by them. So I really like to have bats around. So I'm going to read you this book called Bats. We're going to learn some scientific facts about them. Bats are interesting animals. There are over 1,000 types of bats that live all over the world. I hope you guys can see this book okay. Bats live in caves. Some bats can be found inside trees. Other bats live in attics. Sometimes bats can even be seen under bridges. Bats sleep upside down. Bats have claws that cling into trees and cave walls. Bats fly, but bats are not birds. Birds do have feathers. Bats do not. Bats have fur. Bats are mammals. Bats are the only mammals that fly. Some bats live in small families. Other bats live in large groups. Large or small, these groups are called colonies. Each year, a mother bat usually has one pup. A pup is a baby bat. The mother bat needs to find food for her pup. While the mother bat finds food, the pup stays at home. Most bats eat bugs or fruit. Some bats drink the sweet juice inside of flowers. Bats help farmers. Many catch bugs that eat farmers' crops. Like bees, some bats carry pollen from plant to plant when they rub against them. This helps the plants make seeds. Bats usually use sound to find their way at night. The sound comes back to the bat's ears as an echo. This is called echolocation. Vampire bats bite cows and birds. They drink a teeny bit of their blood for food. Long-eared bats fly during the night. They use echolocation to find food when they are hungry. They eat moths, spiders, and other insects. In winter, some bats migrate. These bats travel to warmer places for the winter. Other bats hibernate. They spend the winter in a cave, building, or a tree. When a bat hibernates, its heartbeat and breathing slow down. Today, it is hard for bats to find homes because many trees have been cut down. It is important for people to protect bats in their homes so they don't become extinct. Bats come in all shapes and sizes no matter where they live. Bats are interesting animals. And that's the end of the book. I hope you liked it. I want you to go outside tonight when it's just about dark and see if you can look up in the air and see some bats flying around. They look like tiny black birds, but you'll know they're bats because they fly a little zigzaggy. Anyway, let me know if you can find some bats, and I'll see you guys soon.